Hi guys! For today, I will be showing you how to change your desktop wallpaper into a live wallpaper. So, now let's get started. Let's go to your browser and search for Lively Wallpaper. Look for the link from Microsoft.com and then open it. Just close this one if you don't want to sign up. As you can see, it says that this app is free, so let's click Get and click Open Microsoft Store to install it. Now, let's just wait for it to finish installing. Our application is now ready, so let's launch it. In here are tutorials about the applications. Now that the app is installed, we can now start choosing our live wallpaper. If you don't like the given live wallpapers in the app, you can still add your own live wallpaper. Here's a website where you can get them. Just search for My Live Wallpapers and click the first result. Now, let's add the downloaded file from my downloads. And let's set it as my wallpaper. Okay, so that's it guys, see you again on my next video.